Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I got Marco's pizza. I wanted to try the hot honey. I can't remember if I had the pizza, had a hot honey pizza or not, but I think I did. So, anyways, I decided to try it on the uh, on one of their bowls, the pasta bowls. So I got one of the create your own, and I got, what did I get? I got town sausage, chicken, oh wait, that might be the steak, but you got the town sausage and the chicken, and I think they did drizzle the hot honey over it. It looks like it. And I think, yeah, that's all I got. Yeah. I think I got extra cheese as well. But yeah. I'll find a place to put this. This might work, hopefully. Oh, and I got like I think it's some of their seasoning sprinkled over the top. If I can open the port. Ah, there we go. Oh, yeah, and I got ham. Okay. Yeah. This is pretty good. This isn't bad. I don't know. I'm trying to see if I can't taste the hot honey, Mike's hot honey. And I can a little bit. It's not a strong flavor. You get a little bit of the honey taste. And depending on where you bite or where you get your fork into, you might have a little more than others. Other than that, the bowl is still pretty good. I think I might like the chicken and the ham more than all the other ingredients, the other meats I've got in here. Yeah. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. It's just really hot out here, and I don't want my phone or camera to overheat. So, I'll do one more bite and I'll head out. I'm not sure what the next video will be, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Just comment, like, subscribe if you want, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.